gotta go change out a camera up on top of a pole, up on a lift. Here we go. All right, I have my camera in hand. There's where we're going. Get up there and throw this thing in there and see if we can make this thing work. And hopefully it'll work this time. So, here we go. All right, we made it. Go ahead and kill the power while we're up here. And I can't work with a camera in my hand. So, I am going to check my view. It's a pretty good view. There's where I came from. There's where we're at. Hey, I got nothing better to show in a vlog than all the weird and crazy places I go in the day. So I might as well share them. We're only like 20 feet up. Not near as high as that. It's not 40 feet. It is a 40-foot lift, but I'm not 40 feet up near. Okay, I'm gonna get this camera in. And now the moment of truth. And now the moment of truth. Let's see if this camera starts spinning. That's a good sign. Let's see if it gets stuck like it did last time. Oh, I think we got a good working camera. Oh, tell me this works. Tell me it's working. I wanna know that it's working.
Patrick.
Patrick, this is Josh Convergent.
Go on, man.
Hey, can you check the depot camera and see if it's controllable?
I have no picture.
You have no picture?
Right.
Can you clear it and try to reload it? I just stuck the camera back in like in the last 10 seconds.
Okay. No, it's still black on me.
Does it say no video? Or is
no, it says it's live, but it's just a black screen.
I'll call you back.
Alright.
Bye-bye. All right, that's not what I was hoping to hear. So, I'm gonna have to play with it some more. I don't even know what to say at this point in time. This camera went bad. We took it out, sent it in. When they shipped it back, they still had not fixed it. We shipped it back to them a second time. They have now shipped it back. I have installed it, and it's still not fixed right. It's fixing to go back to them for the third time. It's just some pretty terrible product support. Very few things in this world that I dislike. I dislike as much as feeling like I'm wasting my time. The last 2 trips I've made up that pole to this camera, I feel like I've done nothing but waste my time, and it's an hour-long process to go get that lift, get up the pole, try to troubleshoot it. It's frustrating. But, oh well, I'm gonna send it back to them, let them work on it again. It's time to go home.
One, two,
Let's roll. AC, 96 degrees outside today. It's officially summertime. Great state of Tulsa, Oklahoma. Remember the tire that was flat on the church van? It's been sitting here for 4 days now and it still hasn't gone all the way flat. It's a miracle tire. What a day. It is 9:30, just now leaving church. Gotta go get some Bueno. Bueno's doing some sort of special. I'm gonna go get some Bueno. If y'all don't know about Bueno, little Tex-Mex fast food joint in Oklahoma, Texas. Oh, it's incredible. It's absolutely incredible.